Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by validating the file and Blender environment. Confirm the model format, FBX, OBJ, or GLTF, and enable the matching import add-on. Once done, open File Import and pick the correct type. Do not guess. Make sure you set the unit scale and scene to 1 because scale errors break rigs. You should also toggle forward/up axis if the model appears rotated. Import only what you need: meshes, armature, and materials to avoid clutter and speed up the process. You now handle geometry and topology to make the model usable. First, apply transforms so scale and rotation become real. This fixes physics and rig behavior. Once applied, inspect normals and recalc outside if shading looks wrong. Remove duplicate vertices with a small threshold like 0, 0.0005 or 0.5 depending on units. Next, examine modifiers. Keep them non-applied until you need final geometry. Apply mirror or subsurf only when finalizing. Finally, set object origins logically and parent hierarchies cleanly so rigs and constraints behave predictably. You finish by resolving materials and verifying rig behavior so the model is production ready. Reassign textures in the shader editor, pack external images into the blend, and confirm UV maps match. For skinned models, test poses and inspect weight painting. Correct bone influences where deformation is off. Bake normal or AO maps only after finalizing topology. Save an incremental version with a clear name. If something goes wrong, re-import with corrected axis or scale and reapply transforms. That single step fixes most common import errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.